Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, we will take a look at some 3D printed accessories that were sent to me by MrTasselhof. But now, before we do that, I want to do one thing really quick. You know what? Let's just leave it like that. I think that's fine. I just wanted to change it up a little bit, just because to make it a bit more interesting. So we were sent a gun stock and a pretty cool golf club, along with something I will also be using from now on is a Quest 2 keychain. Not a review video, by the way. Just a kind of like, I don't even know what you call this. It's not an unboxing, it's not a review, but this is a gun stock for the psvr 2 controllers. Now, this is what you want to do is you just want to like kind of like angle it in there and then slide it on, and that's basically how you would use that, right? You'd use it like this, have more steady grip and a better aim, and that's pretty much it. It's all it does is just help your aim. Kind of the same. You kind of do the same thing with this, right? You just put it on the same way I just showed you guys. Like, let me just demonstrate it real quick. Drop around the Velcro, and then I'm not gonna do that because that's too much work. But you get the I almost dropped my controller and the 3D printed accessory, which sucked. I'm gonna show off both of them. Make it the idea. It's a golf club. You use it to golf and like walkable mini golf. And last but not least, you have this little itty bitty adorable Quest 2 keychain. So it even has the controllers too, which is kind of funny. It's really cool because it's got this flexible headband that, like, for a 3D printed accessory, you'd think that would be like more like rugged and hard like this, right? You can't really bend this; it's too thick. But for this, it's really flexible, which is kind of weird. And it's all 3D printed, by the way. You can tell by the edges. You can see the lines that you'd get with a normal 3D printer. But overall, pretty great amount of detail in these, I think. I use the resin printer back there, which you can kind of see. I don't know if you can see that. It's probably out of frame somewhere. But I use a 3D printer. I use a 3D resin printer, sorry, that eliminates the lines and makes it much more smooth. That also comes with its own set of problems they overcome. But overall, I think it's a really really cool details. You can see the lenses inside of it. You can see the little itty bitty lenses and a little itty bitty clip that you would use for your top strap. And overall, it's pretty cool. For 3D printed, again, this is actually really smooth, right? Usually you'd feel like the rugged edges, if I can get that in there. Usually you'd feel like the rugged edges or like you'd feel the lines, but you don't really feel that with this. And I guess that just proves he makes quality prints, I guess. Links will be down in the website. Links will be provided down in the description, as usual. Not really a review video or a unboxing video, just more of a overview of some things that was sent for this guy right here, the psvr 2, which I just picked up a couple weeks ago. And by the way, I will have a review coming for that pretty soon, so stick around for that. I'm really excited to share my thoughts on it. I've been using the hell out of it, so I think that's gonna be it. If you guys like the video, you know what to do, like, subscribe if you haven't already, and as always, virtual check yourself. Peace.